You want to buy a sweatshirt this season, right? But you want to buy that on budget. I got you guys covered with the 5 best option, and welcome back to this channel, guys. You guys are covered with the semi-formal to semi-casual sweatshirt, casual sweatshirts, color block sweatshirt, and a graphic printed sweatshirt, and everything is on budget, and they start at a price point of 400 rupees. As cool as that. Having said that, there is a common point for all the sweatshirts you're going to see in this video. All of them are full sleeves, and they have the ribbed cuffs as well as the ribbed hems, and they have this soft lining or a soft fleece lining inside. That's a common point. Starting with the sweatshirt number 1. You can have a look at this sweatshirt here. It is a full sleeve black color sweatshirt from a brand called Van Heusen that is priced at $12.99 during the Amazon's recent sale. I got this sweatshirt, I think anywhere close to the price point of 450 to 500 rupees. I feel that for 500 rupees, this sweatshirt is a great bargain. Number 1, of course, it's a black color. Literally, the options are limitless how you can style them. It's completely upon you and upon your personal style. And number 2, the quality and the thickness of the sweatshirt. It is made of cotton, but yes, it do have some sort of polyester to it that can keep you a little bit warm. But not to forget, this sweatshirt is mostly inclined towards the mild winters. And to be honest, if there is a need for moderate winters, mostly I wear sweatshirts as a base layer, and top I would wear a bomber jacket or a varsity jacket or a coat or whatever it can be. In case if it is a moderate winter, you can use this as a base. In case if it is a mild winter, just you can use this as a one piece. So what exactly I liked other than the color as well as the material, the fit of it. What makes this sweatshirt a semi-formal to semi-casual is the proper fit of this sweatshirt. It is a slim fit sweatshirt and it fits really well. According to my body specifications, I weigh at 69 kgs and my height is 5 foot 9 inches. And the length of the sweatshirt also, it ends really well. A minor disqualifier, I would say, it's not a pitch black color. There is a slight fade to it. I'm not sure how it's gonna fare with time, but as of now, it's looking really good. And for a price point of close to 500 rupees, you're not gonna get better than this when it comes to the overall brand value and also in terms of quality. And they do have multiple number of colors as well. I wanted to go with the gray one, but it is not available in my size. That's why I have gone with the black version. In case if you want to invest only in one sweatshirt for a semi-formal to semi-casual purpose, first go with the darkish gray version, not the light gray version. Or if you are like me and if you want to invest more in the black colors or darker tones when it comes to neutral colors, you're good to go with this one. In this video, you're gonna see the transition from semi-formal to semi-casual to casual when it comes to the styles. And moving on to the piece number 2, it is a dark green full sleeve sweatshirt from a brand called House and Shields. It's an Amazon's own brand. I got this in a size of medium. It is priced at 1800 rupees. I think I got this somewhere close to 650 to 700 rupees. When it comes to the material and overall how it is constructed, I think it's more inclined towards the semi-casual option rather than being a casual option. However, unlike the sweatshirt number 1, it is a regular fit option. It's not a slim fit option. So overall, you will be having a little bit more extra room when compared to the sweatshirt number 1. And also when it comes to the material, of course, it's made of cotton and the material is a little bit thicker when compared to the sweatshirt number 1. I also like the minimal branding when it comes to the House and Shields, and this looks really cool. On top of this color, they have this color blocking going on with the white and yellow color with the blue color on the branding, and not to forget the embroidered logos at the chest area. That's something which is trending since quite some time. With that embroidered logo, you're always on the trend, and with the color you get the versatility, and it's up to you how you can style them. If you want a video on how to style this or a do's and don'ts when it comes to sweatshirts or maybe any of the jacket videos, do let me know in the comment section below. I already did one on the oversized t-shirts. And also when it comes to the inside soft fleece material, this feels really smooth. Moving on to the sweatshirt number 3, and from this sweatshirt you're gonna see a little bit of pattern or print. And in specific to this sweatshirt, it's a pink color full sleeve sweatshirt from a brand called Levi's, and it is priced at I think 2499. Let me check that very quickly. No, it's priced at 2000 rupees, but I got this at a price point of 800 rupees. So what exactly I liked when it comes to this sweatshirt? Of course, the color. This particular color, even though it's a lightish pink color, and on the website it's mentioned as beige color, but it's not a beige color, it's a baby pink or a lighter version of the pink color. This can work really well with your jeans as well as chinos. Because of the color, it can match well with the different shades of the blue, and also with the white color you get that overall pastel vibe or a summery kind of a vibe. Of course, these are not meant to be worn during summer seasons, but you do get that vibe of the pastel colors if you pair with this white color. So this color is like super versatile. And the second thing what I liked is the print. As I mentioned earlier, the print on the chest area, it's not too big, it's not too small, it is somewhere in between, with the Levi's branding being so minimal, and the color combination For this print also, it looks really good. And number 3, the elastic band when it comes to the collar area as well as hem and the cuffs. It feels really of great quality when compared to the other sweatshirts in this video. So is the overall quality for the sweatshirt as well. It feels really durable. There is a Jack & Jones option in this video as well, but this is the most durable option I can feel. Having said that, if you want to invest in any subtler pastel kind of sweatshirts with a minimal prints on it, with a great quality offered and at a price point of close to 800 rupees, I think this is the best option to go. Okay, now let's move on to the sweatshirt number 4, and it is also a printed sweatshirt, but there the print was a small graphic print and here the print is a text print. It is a full sleeve purple color sweatshirt from Jack & Jones that I got it in a size of large. It is priced at 2,200 rupees. I got this at a price point of 899 rupees. This is the priciest option of all sweatshirts in this video, and here the prints are super subtle and they are color coordinated, the Jack & Jones text print. That's why I like this one. I don't like the big bold contrast color Jack & Jones logos, and it looks cool for few scenarios and few ways of styling it, but not practical for each and every way of styling. That's why I have gone with the color coordinated. And also they have a subtle white text, albeit with a very small font. That's what makes this sweatshirt really cool. And on top of that, I went with the large size because I want an athleisure vibe when it comes to sweatshirts. For a printed sweatshirt or a sweatshirt that have a big logos, even though it's color coordinated here, if they have something of a big pattern or logos, make sure that you size up for that athleisure vibe. And on top of that Jack & Jones sweatshirt, I have observed that they tend to shrink a bit with time. That's why I have gone with the size large. I think there is one minor disqualifier for this one when it comes to the elastic bands used for the collar as well as the cuffs and hems. They are not that sturdy. I'm not sure how they are going to fare with time. Overall, I feel that Levi's sweatshirt is something that's better in quality when compared to the Jack & Jones, that too at 800 rupees price point. Because of the large size I went with, you get that drop down shoulder effect or an oversized kind of effect, slightly, ever so slightly, not by much. For all the sweatshirts you are going to see, take the review for the brand, not necessarily that you have to go with the same options which you are going to see in this video. Make sure that you take the review of the quality and how it fits. You can just assume according to your sizes and you can go accordingly, because each and every brand offers multiple number of options when it comes to prints, when it comes to solid colors, and also when it comes to different patterns like color blocking. Having said that, moving on to the next option. It is a black and olive green color blocked full sleeve sweatshirt from a brand called Symbol. It's an Amazon's own brand. It is priced at 1800 rupees. This one also, I got it in a size of medium, and I think I got this at a price point of close to 500 to 600 rupees. And what exactly I liked? Of course, the pattern. The pattern is the highlight for this sweatshirt, and these are my two favorite colors. Of course, the black, when it is mixed with the pop colors, it altogether gives a different vibe. And not to mention, H&M have a similar color combination of the sweatshirt for 2000 rupees, and I bought that, but I returned that one because I got a similar option at 500 rupees and quality is more or less the same. And also when it comes to sweatshirts, the place where I live in, I get use out of them maybe for 2 months to the max. So for me, this quality for the price point of 500 rupees, it's more than enough. And also in terms of the style aspect, with the color blocking going on, and actually it's constructed really well. It's a regular fit one, but it fits really well. And also when it comes to the material, it is thick enough for the mild winters, not anywhere close to moderate winters, just like the other sweatshirt that I showed in this video. Overall, you can never go wrong at a price point of 500 rupees in case if you are someone who is looking for a color blocked sweatshirt but want to be on the budget side. This is the one for you. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video on the winter wear haul 2021 of sweatshirts under rupees 899. If you did so, don't forget to click the like down below, and all the links for the product shown in this video, which I bought from Amazon, are down in the description below. Feel free to check them out, and don't forget to subscribe for this channel for more content like this. That's it from me. See you next time.